development tonight. 3 Bellingham children taken from their parents will be allowed to go home, but they're still under state protection. Allison Morrow explains.
The state's case against this couple, as we've learned this morning, really focuses on 2 points: domestic calls to police and concern over their medical choices. About 2 of those concerns over medical choices for their children, that they refused to take their newborn twins to the hospital as paramedics had recommended for a checkup immediately after their home birth, and then also stopped using a recommended formula to gain weight for these children and instead went back to using breast milk.
They projectile vomited that formula, and it made them very sick. It's not meant for babies, it's meant for cows.
If I had the choice, would have chosen to keep them inside the house due to the sensitivity of a newborn baby to outside contaminants.
The couple attributes many of their choices to their Christian beliefs, including their decision to have an unassisted home birth for their twins, as well as using probiotics, coconut oil, and other natural remedies to treat their 10-month-old son's eczema instead of using a recommended steroid cream. And the wife says that the several calls she made to police about their arguments she made believing they could help find mediation. The state has said it would not take children from a home because of a home birth, though it would not specifically comment on this case.
There's case law on that very issue in Ray custody of Smith. There's other issues where the state says, well, we think that the birth weight was insufficient. Well, the state can make its opinion, but ultimately the medical providers looked at the children and said they're of sufficient weight.
It has been about a month and a half since these children have been living with their parents. The couple missed the 1-year birthday for their oldest son, and now their attorney says that that son, who was diagnosed with eczema, now in state custody, is also suffering from pneumonia.